Turmeric and black pepper are often combined for a specific reason. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine that can enhance the absorption of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. When turmeric is consumed with black pepper, the bioavailability of curcumin increases, allowing your body to more effectively reap the benefits of turmeric. Here are the benefits of using turmeric with black pepper. The combination of curcumin and piperine can provide stronger anti-inflammatory effects than curcumin alone. This is particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with chronic inflammatory conditions, such as arthritis or inflammatory bowel disease. Both turmeric and black pepper have been used traditionally to support digestion. Their combined effects might help alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. Ingredients: turmeric, black pepper,